Hi, welcome to this training. This training, I'm going to show you how you can publish your book, your Kindle book on Amazon. So I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to successfully publish your book on Amazon. This is a book we'll be publishing: Stress Management Technique, Finding Balance in a Hectic World. This book teaches on how to manage stress. This is a table of contents for the book: understanding stress, recognize your stress trigger, mindfulness and relaxation techniques, time management and prioritizations. So all the chapters are complete, chapter 1 to chapter 9. So after you have format your book, you save it as PDF. After you save it as PDF, this is the one I save as PDF. This is it: stress management techniques. So you go to your, and before we move on, this is a cover page. This is the cover design for the book: stress management techniques, find a balance in a hectic world. So after you've done the cover design, you go to Kindle kdp.amazon.com. You log into your account. When you log into your account, you click on create new title or series. Just click on create. It will open. So there are different form types, categories of books that are available for publish. But right here we'll be creating an ebook. So click on create ebook. So a box option will open for you like this. You enter the title of the book. Let's go here. Okay, this is the title of the book. Copy the title. You go back, paste this title. Then if the book have subtitle, you put the subtitle up where. If it's a series book, you add series. But since it's not series, and this book is not additional, so it's just one edition of the book, so there's no need of adding edition. So we're asking who is the primary author of this book. So I want to bring in the primary author of the book, Loretta. The first name is Loretta, and this last name is K Council. So there is no contributor. It's only one person that actually write the book. So this book has no contributors. So we're going to put the description of the book. How will you describe this book? I'm going to bring in the description as well. You copy the book description. This is the book description. I'll copy it and go back to the site and paste it. It's coming. Paste the book description. The publishing rights. Say yes, that you have the right to publish this book. So additional, what is the target audience? Can select all ages. This book contains language, citation, images. No, there's no such. So this book is for all categories. Anyone can read it. So primary marketplace, leave it on amazon.com. Our book is under stress management. Okay, that should be under self-help. Under self-help. So under self-help, we have stress management. Under personal transformation. Then we have the open select happiness for this category. Then we save. About keyword and select stress management. Sleep. Select nutrition. Time management. You can select up to 7 keywords. I think this is enough, so I'll go ahead, make my ebook available pre-order. You click save, you continue. Done. Okay, about the manuscript, we want to upload our manuscript, the formatted one. Go on desktop, stress management techniques. Yeah, continue with PDF. Yeah, while it's uploading, upload successful, but see processing. Then we'll come here, we'll upload our cover. The cover that we'll design, we'll upload it here. Choose all files. Stress management, we'll upload it. Okay. So we'll upload it. Find the location, visit, we'll upload it. Successful upload. Okay, our cover upload successful, so we're going to launch and preview our book. Let's see the look of our book. Wow, this is our book. This is our ebook. This is a cover. This is the main book. This is how the book looks. Has up to 9 chapters. Introduction, chapter 1. Yes. To the last option, there is a pricing space. Bring it back. Yes. So we don't have ISBN. So we want to ask Amazon to give us an ISBN for our book. So ISBN is optional. If not, I want to give us ISBN. So save and continue. Question: you want to enroll your book in Kindle Select? If I say yes, that means your book can only be published on Amazon, and then it will not be allowed to publish on any other platform apart from Amazon. That is what it means. So in this phase, we are using all territory, that is worldwide rights, not individual. So we're using Amazon.com. So on royalty, click on 70%. On this 70, you're getting 70% royalty. You can decide put price from $2 upward to $10 and not above $10. That is when you are taking 70% royalty. I'm going to be giving out this book for around $4.99. That is what I'll be giving out. I'm just showing you for instance, but it could be bigger than this, but I think we're cool with this. So click on publish your Kindle book. Yes. So now see, congratulations, stress management technique, finding balance in a hectic world is now under review. In no time, the book available. If the book is approved, when you come back, you see that the book will show book live. To show live. So this is how you can publish your book, your Kindle version book on Amazon. If I know that you might certainly find this useful, and if you find it useful, kindly like, subscribe, and hit notification button for the next time we release another video. You stay tuned to enjoy this. Thank you.